Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you a remote trick on how to prevent the thieves from stealing your car. Here in Canada, a vehicle is stolen every 6 minutes. Unbelievable, right? And you know what's the most stolen vehicles? RAV4 and Highlanders. So basically, these thieves like Toyota because they can sell parts easily. That's why I'm showing you this remote trick on how to disconnect your remote to your vehicle while you're away from it. In order for you to do that, you have to program the keyless remote to stop transmitting signal to the vehicle. Okay, let's start to do this, but before I do that, let's check it first. Okay, let's lock it, and then I'll close it and lock it. Okay, just to make sure. Now let's do this anti-theft trick and cut the remote signal from transmitting into this Highlander. And with this trick, you also save the batteries. That is actually a cool feature on this remote. So the first thing that you need to do is press this lock button and hold it, and then press the unlock button twice. You'll see it blink 4 times. It means that your remote is already disconnected from the vehicle. Okay, let's try to open the door. See, it's now working. Okay, and if you want to reactivate and reconnect your key fob, just press the unlock button and you're golden. Let's give it a try. Okay, open it again. So if you know someone who owns a Toyota, please let them know about this anti-theft feature on their key fob. Help save their investment. And that is all for today. I hope you like it. And if you do, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Your support goes a long way. See you in the next video.